name is Joseph. Today I will cook Vietnamese food. Does anyone love braised snakehead fish with meat like me? Me. Just by smelling it, I know we're about to have delicious rice. Ingredients: clean snakehead fish, remove gills, wash with salt and lemon to remove slime, cut into bite-sized pieces. Wash pork belly, cut into small pieces. Mince onion and garlic. Slice chili. Marinate fish and meat. Put fish and meat in a bowl. Marinate with 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 tablespoon pepper, 1/2 tablespoon MSG, minced onion and garlic, 1 tablespoon caramel. Mix well and let it absorb the spices for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Braised fish. Put the pot on the stove, add a little cooking oil, sauté the onion and garlic. Add the meat and stir fry until cooked, then add the fish and turn gently to avoid breaking it. Add fresh coconut water to cover the fish, cover and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes until the fish is absorbed and the braised sauce thickens. Season to taste.
If you also like rustic dishes like this, remember to follow to see more delicious dishes every day.